Hello guys, welcome back to the Phone Pro guys, and thank you so much for supporting me. I really love enjoying reading your comment guys, and let's get into the video. First of all, I really want to talk about what is going on with my Galaxy S23 Ultra after the updating the beta 2 One UI 7 beta 2. As you guys can see, this is something not normal on my screen. I really don't know why my screen, the lines are going all the way around and around. I really don't understand what is really going on with it, but I just wanted to show you guys something as well. As you guys can see right here, there's a line issue right in after updating the One UI 7 beta 2, and I got scared for a second. I was like, what is this? What is going on with my Galaxy S23 Ultra? So there's a line right here, right middle the TikTok and right middle of the Robinhood app. I don't know if you guys can see it. Maybe I will make a mark on it so you guys be able to see. This is something I really don't know why that we got on is maybe my phone is showing the lines, or maybe all of the phone whoever updated to the One UI 7 beta 2. I really don't know what is going on with this beta 2. Maybe they need to really improve this thing, and this is shocking. This has got me so messed up in my head. As you guys can see, I just did this not too long ago, about I believe 3 or 4 days ago. I just recently updated the beta 2 on my phone, and after updating, and the line issue is showing up on the screen. Like I said, I don't know, I hope Samsung is listening. They need to improve the beta so we won't get these lines right here. These are the two lines, and the third line is, as you scroll to the left, you'll be able to see. I don't know if you guys see it in the camera, but it's showing me right on the screen. It's literally, I don't know what is going on. Maybe let me use a wallpaper, and I'll come right back. Okay, different wallpaper, and here's the twist come. I don't even see those lines anymore. Maybe there was the wallpaper or something, but there's no issue now. I can literally see everything here. Even going back to right here, no, it's right there. I can see it right here. I can see it right there guys, right there, right over here. Now I can see, because there's a white background. Now I can see it's right here. I don't know if it's showing in the camera or no, but I can see the line. Samsung, I hope you're listening. You need to make a lot of change so we won't get these issues. I hope Samsung is listening. They need to fix the issues that every Galaxy owner had. Now the thing right here, I noticed, what are these lines after updating One UI 7 beta 2? I never had experience. I never had experience on these lines that are circling on around the screen, and I hope Samsung is taking a note on that too, because this is something is not normal. This can blow the screen up. I need thoughts on this. I need to know what is this. As you guys can see, this is huge. It's gonna make up the screen blank as soon as possible. I don't know. I don't know what is going on, and I appreciate you guys watching the video. If you guys find this video interesting, please give a like and leave a comment. And if you're new to the channel, I kindly ask, please subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching the Phone Pro. See you in the next video guys.